So guys, for the first method, you're going to head over to search and type in services. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on any service one time and then click on W on your keyboard. Now you want to find Windows Audio. Double click on it. You're going to make the startup type automatic and then click on start, which will now make the service status running, and then click on OK. Now you're going to click on restart. You want to restart the Windows Audio service. See if that works. If that's still not working, then for the next method, you're going to head over to search and type in settings. Click on it. And then once you're on this, on the left hand side, you're going to click on privacy and security. And now you're going to scroll down till we find microphone. You're going to click on this. And then once you're on this, make sure you have microphone access turned on. You also want to turn on let apps access your microphone. So you're going to turn on both of these. And then you're going to scroll down. If you see Audacity in this list, then you're going to turn that on. You're going to scroll down again, and you're going to turn on let desktop apps access your microphone. Turn this on as well. And if you see Audacity under this, you're going to turn that on as well. See if that works for you. If that's still not working, then for the last method, you're going to head over to search and type in add remove programs. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to find Audacity. I don't have it on my computer, but in your case, you want to find Audacity. It should be at the top. And then once you find Audacity, you're going to click on the three dots and then click on uninstall. Then you want to uninstall it. You want to uninstall Audacity from your computer. And now you just want to re-download Audacity. There's going to be a link down below in the description which will take you to this page. This should now fix your problem.